Thought about this too much. What's there left to?
What's up, guys? So it's really been a long while I did this kind of video, so let me just show you what I'm currently looking at. Okay, right, I'm looking at to go long at this point, all right, because these are high of the week and these are low of the week. This is the low of the week right now. Look at the prices. All right, so the price of the low of the week is 1.38862, and what the price of the high is 1.39046. Right, and there's a psychological level right here, 1.39000. Just in case you don't know how I trade, check my winning strategy up here popping up. All right, so this is where I'm targeting. It's a long position, so I got in somewhere around here. Not quite, I just got not too long right now, and I thought my stop should be 20 pips. I have to do 20 pip stop, stuff like that. So here are my entries on my Samsung. So exact same thing that I did here. So it's on a real account. It's on a real account, right? Right. What's up, guys, to today's review of this monster machine. This is a GoPro Hero9. All right, before getting this GoPro, I've done series and I've watched a lot of reviews online. So here's my own mini version of review. So I actually think this is very good for outdoor filming. So that's the reason why I'm getting it, for all kind of weather. You can use this to swim. You can swim with it, yeah, GoPros. You can do maybe like racing. When you're driving, you can have it in front of your car and all of that. So that's why I'm getting this one. I've got these batteries too right here, backup batteries that I also ordered from Jumia separately, and the charger adapter. All right, so with this one right here, this is where I'm gonna be opening it. Yeah, this peel. This is what I pretty much want to get yesterday. All right, so while we are still doing this unveiling, you can also see the chart there. I'm also watching the chart right now. I'm in profit. I just noticed that, and the feeling of reviewing and being in profit, it's fantastic. So don't mind me. Let's continue. So just gonna zip, yeah, and wow, this is amazing. It is indeed amazing. So let me lift it up and show you what's in the box. See the user guide right here, and this is the actual camera. It's very tiny here. It's very small. This is the latest of its kind right now in the market, Hero9. And we've got one single battery that it added to it, and we also have one cable, and we have this stand to like attach it to a vehicle, yeah. And I think we also got other thing. Okay, maybe the like the link joint to tilt it left, right, and center, and all of those things. So this is the basic composition. I had to read the manual to be able to get it. So this is step one. So this GoPro app, I think it's called a different name on Apple Store. Okay, so I have this downloaded already. So you have to just pull the side up of the lever and from here open, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So this is the position. Like this, gonna push it up, release, and then voila. So that's it. And here's the battery. I'm just gonna pick up the battery and start this way. This is where we charge, and this is the memory card port. It's really, can you see that? This is charging jack, and this is the memory card port. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna power it on. This is the power. Maybe the battery. Wow, this is it. What you're seeing right now, GoPro. It also has this nice intro at the front. So finally loads up, so you can see it shorts to the upside there. That's the high of the week here. So let's see what's gonna happen right there. See if I'm cutting this trade early or if I'm letting it run. Okay, but however, my stop loss is secured right here. So I have enough buffer. If the trade whipsaw, I'm gonna be losing 0.22% of my account, which makes sense. So I'm not really in a rush or anything. So that's it. While I'm charging this GoPro, it's on charge right now, and everything looks fantastic. So let me just tidy up this place because I've made a mess of this one because I was not to do a review. So see you guys in no time. All right, so this analysis is finally playing out. So it's moving right up from that point. So I just hope this account I'm able to make like 50% in this week. If I'm able to make 50% this week, I already told you guys what's going to be happening. So here are the entries and all of that. So I'm just going to be breaking even. Look at the stop loss needs right here at this point. So I'm going to be moving stop loss to about that point. So I know that I'm locked and everything is protected. So it's a real account again. I'm showing. Yeah, it's a real account. All right, so that's it. Hey guys, time to exit. That's why I'm making this video. I'm exiting from this point. With this kind of reaction, I just feel it's technical on retest this point again, which is this psychological 1.39000. So that's why I just exited for now. It's better to have a re-entry than have the older ones that I have, and I'll be on a little drawdown. So that's why I'm exiting. So how do I know when to exit? Candle wicks rejections. You can see how that rejected and all of that. So we may still push up. Yeah, I might be wrong, but well, I just feel like taking that profit out and repositioning for a new entry. So that's it. So this is about few hours later. It's currently about 5 minutes past 3, and this move already happened. Remember, I hopped out somewhere around here, this region. I hopped out somewhere around this price, and that's it for today. And you can see price diving down. And how do I know that price will likely reverse very soon? But because of this weak rejection that I saw, but however, it still went up ahead to hit my take profit, but I couldn't wait. Yeah, it is what it is. Now each time you are not so confident about the move again, or you are seeing weak rejections, just get out. That's the best thing. So here's where I'm currently on, and this is my trade for today. So this is how today ended. Maybe some other time will come in big. That's it for today. It is as important to know your exit point just as important to know your entry. All right, so guys, you'd better know anytime you see weak rejection on key levels or close to key levels, or whenever price is rejecting, just as you have right here, example, weak pull down right here, and that one pull down, another pull down, another pull down right here, just like time to go short. The same thing that happened right here, or to just exit. You may not necessarily do the opposite of what you're doing. Now I was buying before from this point, yeah, because I see this rejection doesn't mean I should start selling immediately. Now it could just, if I'm not unable to hold my positions to start moving up, I just have to exit. That's the number one reason why I said I was exiting then. Whereas this other one, you saw this other rejection too at the top right here, weak rejection, weak rejection, weak rejection, then we have a nosedive to the downside. So just do what you know you're comfortable with, and trust me, in no time you get it kicked. Now we already have price return back to this our red line, which is our low of the week, which is 1.3 what's the price now, 1.38862, and we also have it past the high of the week, which is come on, focus, come on, it's too close. So we are, that's 1.39046. So with that said, we're expecting price to either bounce up or continue to the downside for this week. But however, since we have a break to the upside on the 4-hour time frame with our high and low of the week, just in case you don't know how my strategy works, please visit my other videos where I talked about my winning strategy. I broke everything, even the risk management, the money management. One thing that is a holy grail, no strategy is a holy grail, not even mine. All right, what is paramount in the strategy is understanding how it works, entries, and knowing the risks that you could incur by trading it, and also protecting, mitigating against those risks, taking advantage when you're right, taking advantage of the move when you're right, and minimize risk when you're wrong. Okay, so that's how it works. So we have, these are the first two high and low of the week, and low candle. This is the first candle, second candle, this is the highest point, this is the lowest point. So this candle broke to the upside first, so we should be having more buys for this week with high stands. But with this structure, then again, it's looking like more of sales. Okay, based on our rules, it should be more of buy, but with this structure on high stand, it looks like more of sales. So tomorrow decides what we're going to be doing. Hopefully going to still be filming for tomorrow, and also be publishing. So until next time, guys, stay blessed and keep the fire peeping. Bye for now.